afternoon. Oh, you have kid beside you. Yeah, is that your sister? Okay, wait me ha.
Chứ là một người xấu lại vô duyên này hả? Ai dạy vô duyên?
Đi xuống tắm đi, đi.
Okay, let us have here the IPA. The IPA 5.
Đi xuống tắm đi. Con nói mình đâu? Đi xuống rồi.
Okay. So the last time we have IPA 4, and now let us have the IPA 5. Okay, so we have here, we study already about this, but let us have a short review with the monophthongs, the vowels. Okay, we have sheep. Can you hear me, Jang? Can you hear me? Okay, sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, sheep.
Sheep.
Good. 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 Yang. Good.
Good.
Okay, shoot.
Shoot.
Bed.
Bed.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Bird.
Bird.
Door.
Door.
Cat.
Cat.
Up.
Up.
Far.
Far.
On.
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 Okay, so these are the vowel. Okay, we learned this already. Okay, so now we have to have the bed, bed and cat. Bed and cat. Okay, let us have this. Okay, so what are the differences in pronouncing the bed and the cat? Okay, we have this one. Okay, we have here the okay, and okay, and a. Okay, this is a and a. Okay, this one. Okay, let us have this. We have the word
Bed.
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 Bed. Okay, and this one
Bad. Bad.
bad.
Bed.
Okay, this is bad as in bad, and this is bad. Bad as in bad. Bad. Ugly. Okay, good. Okay, again, this is a bad. Bad.
Bed.
Okay, and this is bad.
Bed.
Bad. Bad. Okay, please read again.
Bad.
Oh, I have 2 students now. Okay, this is
Bed.
bad. Correct. This one?
Bed.
Bad. Okay, it means bad, you will lie down. Okay, this one, bad, you're bad. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. This one. Okay, this is...
Ladder.
Wow.
Ladder.
It's ladder.
Ladder.
Ladder. Okay, listen.
Ladder.
Ladder.
Ladder. Okay, this one
Letter.
is ladder.
Ladder.
Ladder. Okay. Okay, I climbed. Okay, I climbed the ladder. Ladder. Okay, this one I climbed. This one I write a letter. It's letter.
Letter.
Letter. Okay, I write a letter. I climb
Ladder.
the ladder. Okay, again, please read.
Ladder.
Ladder. Okay, ladder, climb. Okay, Yang, ladder, let's climb. This one,
Letter.
Letter.
letter. Okay, I wrote a letter. Okay, this one.
Pan.
Okay, this is
Pan.
pan. Pan. This is the pan. Pan. You will cook in the pan. Pan. This one, this is
Pen. Pen.
pen. Pen. Pen. Okay, again. Okay, this is pan. Pan. Pan.
Pen.
And this is
Pen.
pen. Pen. Okay, again. This is pen. 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 This is pen. Pen. Okay, this is a pen. And I cook in the pan. Okay, you please read this one.
Pen.
Okay, this one.
Pen.
Okay, yeah. Okay, by the way, Yang, is that your niece, your sisters?
Yes, my niece. This is brother.
Ah, the daughter of your brother. Okay. Okay, again, what is this? This is, again, please read.
Pen.
This is pan. And this is?
Pen.
Correct. Pan and pan. Pan and pan. Okay. Please remember the pronunciations.
Man.
This is man. One. Man.
Man.
Ah,
Man.
man. And this is
Men.
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 Okay.
Men.
This one again.
Man. Man.
Okay. Man is only one. Man, many. Okay. Again, one more. Yang, please read Yang.
Man.
Man.
Okay.
Men.
Man.
Okay. Man. And this is man.
Man.
Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, this
Sand.
one.
Sand.
This is
Sand.
Send.
send. I will send a letter. And this one,
Sand.
send. Okay. Yes. I will send a letter and I will have to put a sand. Okay. Yay. Okay. Again, please read.
Sand.
Send.
Sand. Wait, and sand.
Send.
And
Sand.
sand. Okay. You will send. And this is a sand. Okay, again, yeah.
Sand.
Then one this. One more.
Sand.
Okay, correct. Sand. This one.
Sand.
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 Sand. This is sand.
Sand.
Okay, correct. Next one. Okay. Common spelling patterns. Can you please read this one? Okay, wait, Okay, this is sand. L, left. Again, sand. Tell, left. Okay, go.
Sand. Towel. Left.
Okay, tell.
Towel.
Left.
Left.
Okay,
Left.
next one.
Out.
Health.
Out.
Head.
Head.
Ready.
Ready.
Okay. Health. Health.
Out. Bắt đầu đi.
Head.
Head.
Head. Ready.
Ready.
Okay. Says.
Say.
Any.
Any.
Many.
Many.
Okay. So, please finish that one first. Okay. How old is she, Gia?
Um. She
Yes.
6 years old.
6 years old. Okay. Okay. So again, sand.
And
Go. Tell.
out.
Left.
Left.
Okay.
Left.
Okay.
Health.
This one. Health.
Out.
Okay. Head.
Head.
Ready.
Ready.
Okay. Says.
Says.
Oh, not say. It's says.
Says.
Any.
Any.
Many.
Many.
Very good, gang. Okay, this one. This is the cat. Bat.
Bat.
Acting.
Acting.
Candle.
Candle.
Happy.
Happy.
Okay. So we have here practice these words and sentences.
Get wet. Get wet. Salad and
He
sandwich.
slept on the
That
best
cat is
bed.
fat.
Okay, this one. Please read.
Get wet.
Get wet. Again, Young.
Get wet.
Okay, get wet. Again,
Wet.
get wet.
Get wet.
Very good. This one. Salad and sandwich.
Salad and sandwich.
Okay, listen.
Salad and sandwich.
Salad and sandwich.
Salad and sandwich.
Correct. Very good. This one. Listen, Young, ha?
He slept on the best bed.
Oh, he slept. Slept on the best bed. Again,
He slept.
slept.
He
Slept.
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 Okay. On
On
the best
the best
bed.
bed.
Okay. He slept on the best bed.
He
Okay.
slept. He slept on the bed. Bed.
Okay, correct. That cat is fat.
Thus, cat is fat.
Okay, that cat is fat.
Thus, cat
Is fat.
fat.
Okay, that cat is fat.
The cat is fat.
Fat. Okay, yay. Okay, so we have here, this is the same, the egg, get, and wet. This is the egg, salad, and sandwich. Okay, these are the same pronunciations. Get, slept. Get, slept. And this one, the same. Salad, salad, cat, fat, that. Okay? Okay, so here, again, please read only this one. Go.
Get. Wet. Salad. And sandwich.
Very good, yeah.
He slept on the bed. Bed.
Okay, correct.
That cat is fat.
Is, young, is fat.
Is
Fat.
fat.
Okay, again, that cat is fat. Okay, yes. So we have here, young, some exercises.
Left.
Okay. Okay. Exercises 1, listen and fill in the crossword. Okay.
Less.
Less.
Okay.
Feather.
Okay, wait, ha? This is,
Less.
and this one, this is the
Feather.
feather. This is feather. Okay, and this one, feather. Okay, this one,
Ready.
okay, you have to be
Ready.
ready. This ready. Ready, go. Okay, ready, go.
Measure.
Okay, this is measure.
Measure.
Okay, this one, okay, wait, Yang, I will write here. Mesh. Sure. Okay, this one. And this one, this is ready. D and Y. And this one is, let me see if it's fit. Feather.
Yeah.
Sorry. E,
X.
H, E, R. Oh, I cannot hear this first one.
Less.
Less. Ah, less. Okay, here. It's less. It means like this. Okay, so this one. Okay, please read it now, yeah. This is
Less.
less. Okay, less.
Less.
Less. Okay, next one. We have to read it as,
Feather.
what is this? Feather. Feather.
Feather.
Feather. Letter F. F sound. F. Feather.
Feather.
Very good, Gang. Okay, this one, Gang.
Ready.
Ready.
Ready. Very good, Gang. This one, Gang.
Measure.
Measure. Measure. Again.
Measure.
Measure.
Measure. Okay,
Measure.
again. Measure.
Measure.
Correct, Gang. Correct. Okay, so you understand this?
Measure.
Okay, this is measure. Okay, yeah, those are the answers. Okay, exercise 2. Lesson and underlines with the words.
Why be a man? Well done
be a
is
success
develop
than
success
well said.
from failures.
Okay, so can you please read this one? Wait, yeah, I will erase. Right, sorry.
Success.
Okay, number 1. Please read number 1. Why? Read number
Why?
1. Why? Why be a man when you can be a success? Okay? Please read down. Why?
Why? Be a man when you can be a success.
Okay. Why be a man when you can be a success? You have here the word success. Okay. This one. Okay. Please read all.
Well done is better than well said.
Well done is better than well said. Okay. Do you understand this? Yeah? Do you understand this? Well done is better than well said. So it means you doing action is better than speaking. Doing action is better than speaking. Well done is better than well said. Okay. Next one, Kareem.
Develop success from failure.
Develop success from failures. Okay. Failures. Oh, do you know success? Success. Do you know success? Oh, you know. Okay. You know success. You know the word success.
Success.
Oh, you know this word, yeah? You know the word success? Success, it means success. Success, it means, gang, you finish your study, you are success. you find good work, you are successful. Okay? If you can marry, or if you have what they call that one? If you have handsome and kind boyfriend, you are successful. That's success. Okay?
And friends.
Yeah, okay. Failure, Yang, it is opposite of success. Failure, okay? When you cannot finish study, that's failure, okay? Failure. It's opposite from success. Do you understand, Yang? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so please read again. Why be a man when you can be success? Okay, go, Yang.
Why be a man when you can be a success?
Correct. 2.
Well done is better than well said.
Very good, Yang. 3, Yang.
Develop success from failure.
Okay, it's not develop, it's developed success from failures. Again,
Develop success from failures.
okay, it's not develop, it's develop success from failures.
Develop success from failures.
Okay, develop success from
Develop success from failures.
Okay, develop success from failures. Okay. Again, one more. Number 3, only Gam. Number 3. Okay, listen Gam first. Listen first.
Develop success from failures.
Okay, go.
Failures. Develop success from failures.
Okay, very good. Okay, again, success is the opposite of failures. Okay. So, example, you want to go to England, you want to go to Paris, but you don't have money. It's not a success, it's failure. Okay, if you can go there and you can travel, that's success. Okay? Okay, this one.
I had only the man was not happy. Nancy so likes eating salad, not sandwiches.
Hey, this one. Okay, please read this one. So we have here the sound.
I had only 3 apples.
Okay, number 1, read.
Cô đang học không?
Print after Annie. Print after Annie. I have only 3 apples. I have only 3 apples. Okay. Okay. Okay, number 1, Yang. Please read. I have.
Ra ngoài phòng khách đi.
I have. Very good. Okay. The man, okay, this one.
The man was not happy, so he sat there.
The man was not happy, so he sat there. Again, Yang. Wala ba nilagay din? Ito na, April 22 dahil. Kasi picturean.
Yes.
Okay daw.
Ready.
20 ron? Okay. So, the man, okay, please read number 2.
The man was not happy, so he sat there.
Again.
The man was not happy, so he sat 3. day.
Okay, very good. The man was not happy, so he
So
sat
he
there. Okay, 3.
does factory product cameras.
Okay, that factory produces.
That factory produces cameras.
Okay, that
Produce.
factory produces camera.
Yes. Does
That factory produces cameras.
That factory produces camera.
yes. Does factory produce
Produces camera.
camera.
Okay, okay,
Nancy likes eating salad, not sandwiches.
okay.
Nancy likes eating salad, not sandwich.
Not sandwiches.
Not
Sandwiches.
sandwiches.
Okay, very good. Okay, let us read from the very beginning. I have only 3 apples. Again,
I
had only 3 apples.
okay.
I have only 3 apples.
Okay, 2. Listen.
The man was not happy, so he sat there.
The man was not happy, so he sat there. Go, Gang.
The man was not happy, so he sat there.
Very good, Yang. Yay. 3, Yang. Wait, Yang, ha?
That factory produces cameras.
That factory produces camera. Okay, go.
That factory produces camera.
Very good. Yay. Okay, number 4, Gang. Listen.
Nancy likes eating salad, not sandwiches.
Nancy likes eating salad, not sandwiches. Go, Gang.
Nancy likes eating salad, not sandwiches.
Very good, Gang. Wow, yay. Yeah, Gang. I can see your pronunciation. Okay, wait me. I can see, Gang, your pronunciation is quite good now. Okay, good job. Very good, Gang. Okay, practice your tongue. Practice your tongue. Very good. See, I can see that your tongue is quite soft now. It's really different from the first time. The first time I met you, it's really hard for you to open your mouth. Okay, please practice. Okay, when you are at home, I will send this so you can practice more. Practice reading. Okay, I can see your mouth is different. Okay. Okay, you have no heart. Okay, circle the word. Okay, let us read this one. All. Okay, here. Okay, first, plan, sad, says, at. Again. Plan.
Sad.
Correct.
Say. Bad.
Okay, correct. Plan, sad, says, bad. Again.
A.
Plan, go Gyang.
Plan, sad, say, bad.
Very good, Gyang. Okay, this one. Ready, tell, send, animal. Ready, tell, send, animal.
Animal.
Very good, Gyang. One more, Gyang, all by yourselves. Okay, ready?
Ready, tell, send.
Oh, it's not send, it's sand. Sand.
Send. Animal.
Okay, hey, this one. Many. Friend. Hat. Okay, again. Many. Friend. Hat. Okay, hat. Okay, head. Okay, go Gyang, all by yourselves. Many
friends. Head.
Okay.
Head.
Okay. Family. Map. Factory. Possess. Okay, again read. Ogyang.
Family. Map. Factory.
Correct.
Horses.
Okay, all Giang. Very good, Giang. Okay, Giang. Wait, Giang. Giang. Okay, Giang. Your pronunciation is quite okay now. Your tongue is soft. Okay, it's very different from the first one. The beginning of the lesson, it's very hard for you. Now it's okay, Giang. Very good. Yes, Giang. Giang. Okay, go, Giang. Read all. Kamu na
Bed,
you know. Mm-hmm.
set,
Mm-hmm.
say,
Correct.
bed,
Mm-hmm.
ready,
Okay.
tell,
Correct.
send,
Okay.
animal,
Okay.
many,
Okay.
friend,
Okay.
pet,
Okay.
kid,
Head. It's not head. Head. Head.
head,
Head. Okay, correct.
family,
Okay, family.
mat,
Correct.
factory,
Mm-hmm.
possess,
Possess.
possess,
Possess. Okay, it's not possess.
possess,
Possess. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, I observed that day by day, okay, IPA really improve your speaking skills. Okay, I want to teach this to Miss Huyen, the IPA. I want to teach Miss Huyen the IPA form, like what we did. We are already in IPA 5. Please, Yang, let us continue IPA, okay? After IPA all, let us do conversation. IPA all. So you can practice proper pronunciation. Very important. Okay?
yes,
Again, this is not possess. It is possess. Okay.
possess,
Do not say possess. It's possess. Okay?
yes,
Do not say kid. It is head.
pet, yes,
Okay. It's hat. It's sand.
pet,
Okay. Yes. Yay. Great job, Gang. Okay. Next, Yang. Next. Okay. So you can let us read this. Oh, sorry. Let us read this underline. Okay. No, the one circle. Says.
say,
Says.
says,
Okay. Animal.
animal,
Cat.
pet,
Possess.
possess,
your niece keeps on talking to. Okay, we have very good job. Okay, so we have here. Now let's move to IPA 6. Okay, we still have time. IPA 6. This mas makamo siya dahil kay katong ganiya bitaw. Yun, mas makamo siya. Yeah, it's better siya. Dili pa wala man ang IPA ko to. Kani kay IPA mahod. Much better if you will do IPA. A pronunciation mo na. That's a pronunciation. IPA is pronunciation. So you have to stir your tongue later, step by. Okay, so we have here the IPA. Okay, the same. Okay, soon we're gonna learn this one. Yeah, okay. Let us do this. Read this. Door. Okay, the door.
the
You
door,
open the door. Okay, this is off, on, off, on. This is door. And
door,
this is on. Okay. Okay, let us. Okay. So this is the names of the things, the pictures. This is, okay, let us compare. Okay, its pronunciations are, okay. This is, let's go to the pronunciations. Where is the pronunciations pattern here? The pronunciations pattern. Okay, please read this one. Okay, first we have salt. Sorry, bottle. 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 Okay, salt. Salt. Box of shopping.
Box of shopping.
Okay, floor.
Floor.
Dog.
Dog.
Ball.
Ball.
Door.
Drawer.
Yes. You have here this sound. Okay, let us identify. Okay, this is salt.
Salt.
Salt. Floor.
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 Ball. Ball. Okay, this is door.
Door.
Okay, this one is bottle. Okay,
Bottle.
the short A sound. Bottle.
Bottle.
Box.
Box.
Dog.
Dog.
Shopping.
Shopping.
Okay, so this is the short and the long. Okay, this is salt.
Salt.
Floor.
Floor.
Ball.
Ball.
Door.
Door.
Okay, this is short. Bottle.
Bottle.
Bottle. Okay, very good. Bottle.
Bottle.
Okay. One bottle of drink. One bottle of juice. Okay,
Yes.
bottle. Box.
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 Dog. Dog.
Dog. Dog.
Okay. Shopping.
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 Okay, very good. Okay. Let us read number 1.
1. The butter's too hard.
The.
2.
Butter.
I'd love to buy that carpet.
Okay. The bottle is
3.
too
Her
hard.
son's got dark hair.
4.
I first met my husband in Prague.
Okay, this one. Okay, first.
8. 1. The butter's too hard.
The bottle, the butter is too hot.
Hot.
Okay. Wait lang. Okay, look at this one. The butter is too hard. Hard. 2.
I love to buy the carpet.
3.
Their sons got dark hair.
Okay,
Hair.
it's not here. It's hair. Hair. Okay, hair. Okay, 4.
I first met
Matt.
my husband.
I first met
My husband in Prague.
Frog. Frog. Okay, frog is a place. Okay, number 1. Listen to teacher. The butter's too hard. Again. Okay. I'd love to buy that carpet.
I love to buy that carpet.
Okay. Their sons got dark hair.
Their son got dark hair.
Okay. Hair.
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 Okay, correct. Okay, that's it. I first met my husband in Prague.
First met my husband in Prague.
Okay. Husband. Husband. Correct. Hey. Go, Gyang. Yes, Gyang. Okay. Now, let us have here. Okay. We have some series. We have glass.
Glass.
Raft.
Raft.
Sun.
Sun.
Fun.
Fun.
Love.
Love.
Brother.
Brother.
Mars.
Mars.
Answer.
Answer.
Okay. You read number 1 and 2.
Glass. Raft. Sun. Fun. Love. Brother. Mars.
Very good. Next, 3 and 4. Saw. Okay, all. Fork. Hot. Top. Want. Important. Holiday. Okay, again, Young.
Important. Holiday.
Okay. Okay, garden.
Garden.
Cause. Bought.
Bought.
Okay, artists.
Artist.
Audience.
Audience.
Top. Warm. Sauce. Thought. Farmer.
Farmer.
Aunt.
Aunt.
Thought. Okay. Okay, read. Garden.
Artist. Work. Farmer. Cost. Audience. Sauce. Aunt. Bought. Thought.
Okay.
Short.
Okay, this is bought.
Bought.
Thought. Thought. Yay. Okay. Yes, great job, Yang, for today. Okay. So, Yang, we don't have enough time. I am happy that you learned something today. Okay. I can say, please, Yang, I will send the IPA 5. Please practice. Okay, practice reading. Okay. Your pronunciation is quite soft now. Pronunciation, better, Yang. Okay, please keep on reading, Biang. Yay! We have IPA 6 and 7 next day. Please don't forget, okay? Biang, thank you. I see you improved. Very good, Biang. What's that? The mouth, the pronunciation, the mouth is not hard anymore. It's quite soft. Very good. You improved. Okay, yay! I am so happy, Biang, hearing you. The word, it's possess, not possess. Okay, yeah, it's not hair, it's hair. Okay, not head, it's head. Okay, yay. Okay, thank you so much, Gang, for this afternoon. See you on Monday. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, so many needs. 3?
Yes. Five people.
Okay, that's only one father?
Yeah. They are five. They are
5.
4.
4.
I have the four niece and two grandson.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. How old are they? This one, 5? This one, 5 or 4 years old?
About 3 to 12.
12. You're 12, that one. The girl in your left, 12 years old.
Yes.
Okay, and this cute little girl, 3 years old.
Yes.
Hello. You say
Cô là cô. Bye bye. Goodbye teacher. Goodbye teacher đi. Viết goodbye teacher rồi. Goodbye teacher.
Bye bye guys.
Yes.
Bye teacher.
Bye bye.